Once again, good morning, students. Today we are going to learn unit number 1, lesson number 2, the magic garden. Yes, here is the garden, and there are so many flowers as a marigold, poppies, rose, sunflower, sunflower. So many flowers are there, and children are making this garden magic. How we can see in this lesson. The magic garden was in school playground. It was very pretty. Sunflower and roses stood high against the wall. There were also marigold, poppies and pansies. The sunshine fell on the garden more than on any other, and the flowers danced and sang happily. They said to one another, "We have hundreds of little gardeners." They were the children from the school. Okay, here in the garden, flowers are talking together, and they are telling that here we have little garden, hundreds of little gardeners in our school, and there are so many flowers like a sunflower, roses, poppies, marigold, and pansies, and it's look very pretty. And who is the tallest one? The sons that more than on his ground and danced and sang happily. Hundred of little gardeners. That sunflower is the tallest one in the ground. They stood against the wall. On sunny morning, the flowers were talking to the birds. I love all the children, but I love the dear little ones most of all, said a poppy. I like them to bring the watering cans and water my thirsty roots. Okay, that flower are talking each other that they like which students they like most, which children they like most. So poppy say that I like dear ones, जो छोटे छोटे बच्चे हैं मुझे ज़्यादा पसंद है, because they are watering me and they are feel my thirst. Next page, page number 5. Yes, said the marigold, the boys are good to us too. They dig the ground so well. Okay, what marigold said that boys also are good. They dig the grounds. वो grounds को अच्छे से dig करते हैं और हमको जमीन में बोते हैं. We love to the little children, said the tiny birds. Okay, birds also are coming on that garden and they are telling that I like little children. They are kind and they are bring bread for us. Okay, little children, they are bringing bread for the birds. वो birds के लिए खाना लेके आते हैं. So birds also likes that little children. All the flowers said, we must work hard to make our dresses very pretty, for the children will be here soon. Okay, what flower decided that we will make beautiful dress for our pretty children? हम आपको हमारे अपने आप से अच्छे से तैयार हो गए. क्यों? बच्चों को खुश करने के लिए. The sun said, I will help you also. For nothing, please me better than to see the children running about in the golden sunshine. What sun said, sunflower said, I will help you that students will see my golden sunshine. Suddenly, the children came out and laughing and singing, and the flowers stopped their songs to listen to them. Okay, what happened next day? The suddenly children are laughing and singing, and flower stop their singing to listen them. Flower भी अपनी singing करना बंद कर देते हो और बच्चों को सुनते हैं. Oh, look at the tall sunflower, said one child. And the sunflower lifted his head very proudly. Okay, one child says that look at the sunflower, and that sunflower become very proudly lift his head. वो अपना head जैसे sunflower झुक जाता है, तो जैसे बच्चा बोलता है वैसे ही sunflower अपना head ऊंचा कर लेता है. Another child said, I love the marigold in its golden dress. ओके दूसरा बच्चा बोलता है आई लव मेरी गोल्ड बिकॉज ही वेयर द गोल्डन ड्रेस. मेरी गोल्ड कैसा होता है, पूरा येलो कलर का गोल्ड का होता है. तो ही इज टेलिंग दैट आई लव द मेरी गोल्ड एंड ही हैज वेयर गोल्डन ड्रेस. द मेरी गोल्ड स्माइल हैप्पीली. मेरी गोल्ड भी खुश हो जाता है क्योंकि दूसरे बच्चे ने भी उसके बारे में बोला, मेरी गोल्ड के बारे में बोला, तो मेरी गोल्ड भी खुश हो जाता है. सनफ्लावर भी खुश हो जाता है. नाउ टर्न योर पेज, पेज नंबर 6. It was indeed a magic garden because it had fairies too. Okay, वो गार्डन में मैजिक क्यों है, क्योंकि वहाँ पर फेरीज भी है. They danced and sang sweet song which only the children could hear. Okay, वहाँ पर फेरीज भी आती है. Only our children can listen them. जो छोटे बच्चे हैं वो फेरीज को सुन पाते हैं. After a time, the fairies came out and dancing and talked with the children. Their dresses were made of flower and their wings of sunshine. Okay, that fairies came and they're telling about their dresses and wings and whatever they have weird. That fairies talking to children also and flowers also. The magic garden was quiet that night. The flower and birds were asleep and dreaming of the next day when the children would come again. Okay, next on that day what happened, that गार्डन पूरा क्वाइट हो जाता है, शांत हो जाता है और वो लोग सो जाते हैं बिकॉज दे आर ड्रीमिंग फॉर द नेक्स्ट डे एंड दे आर वेटिंग फॉर द चिल्ड्रन. आई होप you have understood the lessons and story as well as you have learned the hard words also. I hope you will read at your home. Dear students, read this lesson once again with your parents and learn the hard words and write in your notebook. Thank you.